Welcome back to my channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Today I am here with few multiple choice questions on ophthalmic dosage form. Now first question is, which of the following preparations will be most irritating to the eye? The options are purified water, 0.7% NaCl solution, 1% NaCl solution, 0.9% NaCl solution. Here 0.9% NaCl solution is isoosmotic to the tear secretion. Purified water is hypotonic solution, 0.7% is hypotonic solution and 1% NaCl is hypertonic solution. In theory, a hypertonic solution placed in the eye leads to draw water from its surroundings in order to dilute the instilled solution. If a hypotonic solution is placed in the eye, water moves from instilled solution to tissues of the eye and the drug concentration on the ocular surface is temporarily increased. This will lead to increase in lacrimal secretion and blinking. Thus, the least hypotonic solution, that is 0.7% NaCl, will be irritating to eye. However, with 1% NaCl, intracellular fluid will flow to corneal surface and will cause more irritation. So, option C will be the most appropriate answer for question number 1. Next question. Which of the following antimicrobial enzyme present in tear secretion? The options are zymase, lipase, lysozyme, diastase. It is a direct question and the answer will be option C, that is lysozyme. Next question. Which of the following is used as preservative for ophthalmic preparation? The options are benzoic acid, phenol, benzalkonium chloride, chlorocrazone. Here the most appropriate answer will be option C, that is benzalkonium chloride. Now question number 4. The pH of lacrimal fluid is 6, 7.4, 8.2, 9.1. The most appropriate answer is B, that is 7.4. Now question number 5. Ophthalmic preparation containing thermolabile antibiotic is sterilized by moist heat sterilization, dry heat sterilization, heating with bactericide, membrane filtration. Though the antibiotic is thermolabile, therefore no heat will be considered here. In first second, heat are used, so these two options will not be correct. And option C is also neglected because here a bactericide agent is there. So option D will be the most appropriate answer for question number 5, that is membrane filtration. Here no heat is required. Now question number 6. Which of the following is used for the preparation of eye ointment? White soft paraffin, yellow soft paraffin, both of these, none of these. Here the most appropriate answer will be yellow soft paraffin, because white soft paraffin is prepared from yellow soft paraffin by using a bleaching agent. So extra bleaching agent is present in white soft paraffin, which may cause irritation to the eye. So yellow soft paraffin is mainly used for the eye ointment preparation. Next question. Polymethyl methacrylate is used to prepare soft contact lens, semi soft contact lens, hard contact lens, none of these. Here the correct answer will be option C, that is hard contact lens. Next question. Polysorbate 80, that is 2 in 80, is used in eye preparation as buffer, antioxidant, preservative, wetting agent. Polysorbate 80, that is 2 in 80, is a wetting agent. So option D is correct answer for question number 8. Next question. Which one of these used as isotonicity adjuster? Dextrose, sodium chloride, boric acid, all of these. The correct answer will be option B, that is sodium chloride. Now the last question. How will you sterilize the eye drop solution? By autoclaving at 98 to 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, by autoclaving at 98 to 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, by autoclave, by hot air oven. The correct answer will be option A, that is by autoclaving at 98 degree to 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.